My first impression of Lampeter has been cold. It has been very cold. It's very different from back home where it's a tropical climate. So, you know, coming from that to a cold climate, it has been a very drastic change in terms of weather.
I actually like Wales. It reminds me a bit of home. Lots of green, the weather, it's raining. I'm accustomed to the rain coming from the tropics. I actually like Wales. The people are a bit friendly and things like that, so I'm liking it so far.
It gave a bit of a Hogwarts / House of Anubis kind of vibe, which I kind of like.
The landscapes are so beautiful, the rolling hills, you know, there's not a plot of land that you pass and you can't see a sheep. So it's been really great so far.
It was a little bit of a culture shock because of how cold it was, but it's really beautiful.
The university is amazing. The teachers are so helpful and they give insightful feedback, and they're very welcoming as well, and they continue to motivate you to work hard and to pursue your dreams.
And the university is always there if you have any problems. You could always reach out to somebody and get assistance in any way we would ever want to be, you know. Any problems we have, we just let somebody know and they help assist us with it.
My first impression of the university was that it was this warm, welcoming environment where I could learn. There were lots of spaces where you could go to do your studies and have quiet spaces, you know. It was really beautiful. The scenery and everything was one where you, as a student, could just relax.
What I like about the university is that everything is available to you, whether it's online or on campus.
The best thing about the university, I think, is definitely access to the various facilities they have to offer. For instance, in Swansea, there are many different construction technologies that are available to students to get practical, hands-on experience with those equipment.
Best thing is that it's open to us coming to them at any time with any queries and anything like that. They don't shun us. They welcome our queries no matter what it is. They would listen to us and give us their assistance.
Any issues or concerns or queries, it can be adjusted by just one phone call or message.
The best thing about the university is the diverse way in which they teach. I find the teaching is geared toward helping you to pass, and so I really like that. You know, there's a lot of support from the lecturers and so forth.
Well, taking my skill set back to St Vincent, I hope that I'm able to assist in getting programs up and running in terms of helping dealing with the politics of the country and developing the country on a whole, and making myself more marketable, networking, gaining some useful network links here to take back to St Vincent, so that when I am back home and I need assistance in any way, I can reach out to persons that I would have networked with out here and gain such assistance.
From my experience at the university, I hope to gain and bring back international relations, like interacting with different international countries, people, and whatnot.
I hope to gain a bachelor's in international development and global politics, and with this, when I return to St Vincent, I would like to teach international development and global politics at university. Also, I would like to use it to help me to develop a law school so that persons can do their bar exams in St Vincent and the Grenadines, as we do not currently have a law school in St Vincent.
I hope to gain the international experience, working along with persons who are outside of my home, and I believe that would enable me to develop my mindset to create a much open mind and be able to put that back into my home and rebuild certain things that needs rebuilding, as well as improve the structural integrity of certain buildings and buildings going forward. And yeah.